cube it to get to volume. So I'm going to make use of these in my examples to explain what I mean by these arrows and the cube and the square root and so forth. We have triangles ABC and DEC are mathematically similar. We have to work out the ratio of the areas of the triangles ABC and DEC. So the first thing you need to do, there are two ways of doing this. I'm going to do it two ways and you pick the one that you want. First is the ratio method, because I'm going by ratio. Using ratio of lengths, so check what is corresponding. I have ratio of lengths that's corresponding. So it's 4:18. 4:18. And I can simplify this by dividing through by 2. So this is what I have for my ratio of length. Because we are talking about area, we need to change the ratio of length into ratio of area by squaring our ratio. So our ratio of area will now be 2 squared and 9 squared, which will be giving us 4:81. So the ratio of the triangles ABC and DEC, 4 for DEC, the smaller one, and 81 for the bigger one. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is using scale factor. So work out your scale factor from corresponding sides. 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. Now 4.5 means that the bigger one, ABC, is 4.5 times as big as the smaller one, DEC. So if you are doing expressing that as a ratio, ABC is 4.5 and DEC is 1, because this one is 4.5 times the original one. And in ratio, you're not supposed to leave it as decimal, so change it into, before we do that, this is ratio of length, square it to get to ratio of area. That's what you have, and we cannot leave it as a decimal, so we make it as a whole number. Multiply both sides by 100. Then you simplify it, divide by 25, you get back to the same answer. So it's a matter of choice. You can go by the expressing ratio from the onset, or use scale factor, knowing the scale factor and expressing the ratio from there. Now pause this video and see if you can work out this, express the ratio of their area. Okay, let's see. First is to express the ratio of their lengths or corresponding lengths. So the ratio of the base is 5:15. Simplify where possible. That is R. We want it as area, so we need to square it. So the answer will be 1:9. 1:9.